America is home to the most violent storms on Earth. From the dusty plains of Kansas to the deep South, tornadoes have carved fear and destruction across generations. But how did it all begin? And which tornadoes shaped the history of a nation? Before satellites and Doppler radar, tornadoes struck without warning. One of the earliest and deadliest was the StLouis tornado of 1896. Over 255 killed, bridges tossed into the Mississippi River. Then came the tri-state tornado of 1925, the deadliest tornado in U.S. history. 695 lives lost, nearly 220 miles on the ground, over 3 states. It changed tornado science forever. In the 20th century, tornado awareness grew. The Woodward, Oklahoma tornado, 1947, killed 181 people. Meteorologists began to understand storm patterns, but public warnings were still banned for fear of panic. That changed after Topeka, Kansas, 1966, when an F5 ripped through the city. After that, the public demanded alerts, and the National Weather Service listened. In 1974, America witnessed the first super outbreak. 148 tornadoes in 13 states in just 2 days. It was one of the most intense tornado outbreaks in U.S. history. Fast forward to 1999, and the Moore, Oklahoma EF5 shattered records. Winds peaked at 302 miles per hour, the fastest ever recorded on Earth. In 2011, tornadoes returned with fury. The Joplin, Missouri EF5 killed 158 people, making it the costliest U.S. tornado ever. The super outbreak of April 2011 spawned over 360 tornadoes in 1 week, including 4 EF5s. In 2013, another monster hit Moore, Oklahoma, again. And in 2021 to 2023, unusual winter tornadoes raised concerns about climate shifts. And now, in 2025, at least 21 people have died, and dozens more have been injured after powerful tornadoes ripped through parts of Kentucky and Missouri. In Kentucky, 14 lives were lost in Laurel County as tornadoes struck in the early hours of Saturday. Meanwhile, Missouri officials report 7 deaths, including 5 in the city of St. Louis, where over 5,000 buildings were damaged and power lines destroyed. Tornadoes don't just hit the plains. Texas has the most tornadoes. Oklahoma has some of the strongest. But now, a new region, the Dixie Alley in the southeast, is seeing more deadly outbreaks. Cities like Tuscaloosa, Nashville, and Birmingham have all faced EF4 to EF5 storms. The geography of America makes it the perfect tornado factory. Cold air from Canada, warm air from the Gulf, and dry winds from the Rockies collide over the Midwest, creating the chaos known as Tornado Alley. Technology has improved. We now have Doppler radar mobile storm chasers, tornado sirens, and smartphone alerts. Yet even today, warnings can come just minutes before impact. From the 1800s to now, tornadoes have shaped America's landscape and its people. Each storm is a reminder: nature is powerful, preparation is survival, and history often repeats itself. Subscribe to Echoes of Time to explore the moments that shook history and shaped the future.